a world dominated by four-stroke engines, one machine refuses to fade away. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 keeps the two-stroke dream alive and screaming. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today we're breaking down why this legendary motocross bike continues to captivate riders year after year. If you've ever wondered whether the YZ125 still has what it takes, you're about to find out. Design. The 2026 YZ125 maintains that unmistakable motocross stance that Yamaha has perfected over decades. Sharp, aggressive lines define every angle, built purely for purpose. The blue and white livery remains iconic and instantly recognizable at any track. Yamaha has refined the ergonomics this year with updated plastics that improve rider movement and control. The slim chassis allows for excellent rider feedback, and the overall package feels race-ready straight out of the crate. Every element serves performance, nothing more, nothing less. Performance. Here's where the YZ125 truly shines. That 125cc two-stroke engine delivers explosive, razor-sharp power that demands respect and rewards skill. The powerband hits hard and fast, providing that addictive rush two-stroke enthusiasts crave. Yamaha's latest iteration features improved throttle response and slightly broader power delivery without losing that signature punch. The suspension setup handles aggressive riding beautifully, soaking up jumps and rough terrain with precision. Weighing in incredibly light, this bike changes direction instantly, giving riders the confidence to push limits. Features and technology. While the YZ125 focuses on pure performance, Yamaha hasn't ignored advancements. The 2026 model features refined engine mapping for better reliability and performance. The updated suspension components offer more adjustability for fine-tuning to individual riding styles and track conditions. Braking performance has been enhanced with improved components front and rear. These updates respect the bike's simplicity while incorporating meaningful improvements that serious riders will appreciate. Conclusion. The 2026 YZ125 proves that two-stroke magic isn't just nostalgia. It's real, raw, and incredibly relevant. Are you team two-stroke or four-stroke? Let us know in the comments. If this review got you excited about motocross, hit that like button, share with your riding crew, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more in-depth motorcycle coverage. Keep the revs high, and we'll see you in the next one.